So step 3. So what part? Number 9. So we're going to look at number 9. Number 9 appears to be, let's see. Let's see if we can match that up with what they're telling me. Looks like an end-stop switch. Number 9 appears to be the end-stop switch. So, yep. So end-stop, mount, and switch. See how that works? When the axis goes to it, it's going to trigger this, and that'll stop that axis. It's a limiter. End-stop, limiter. There's all kind of words you can use in this stuff. Okay, so they're showing me face the machine this way, and I'm going to have to loosen the bolts here, and they're showing me what's the right and wrong way for exactly what here. They're showing you which way is the correct way to slide it in the rails. So the first thing you want to do is make sure that the end stop faces up. So if that makes any sense, we're going to take this end stop and flip it this way. So this is up. And we're going to take these nuts, and we're going to slide them. And basically what they're trying to tell you in this image is these nuts can go long way or short way. And that means that you want to take the nut and turn it to where the long way is going with the rail. If you do it this way, what's going to happen, you'll see it, I'm sure. It's just going to fall out on you. So you want to take and loosen these a little bit, not all the way, because you don't want to lose these inside the rails. Turn them sideways, and we're going to get one to fit, and we're going to slowly and carefully get the other one a little bit loose till it fits. And it looks like we're going to slide this all the way down to about, what does that say, 32 millimeters? Whatever. I'm going to leave it a little bit loose. Not too loose. I don't want to lose the nuts on this thing, but I'm going to go ahead and just a little bit, just barely touch it so it doesn't go anywhere.